We're going to take everything off to a side for a moment. And you're going to lie on your back, and you can face this way. We're going to start first with bridge pose. And let's go ahead, because I can see already that your legs don't like this. We're going to put a block between your feet like this. And we're going to start the way we've been doing all throughout the class today. Really getting a feeling of grounding the shoulder heads down and make your arms work a little bit more strongly. Okay, and the pelvis in neutral. So you're letting those inner groins release back like that. Okay, and as I do that, you can work your shoulders a bit more. That's okay. We'll take a couple of good, nice, long breaths here. We'll get this beautiful feeling of opening across the collarbones. And then with an inhalation, you're going to lift the hips up. And I want you to take your hands like this. Yeah, and put your hands along your side and cut this in a good amount. And everything we learned. Cut with your elbows, cut with your upper arms, and give me a strong, strong feeling of coiling the chest open. Coiling the chest open. Coiling the chest open. And moving the buttocks in the opposite direction. You use it. We'll do this maybe 2-3 times. We'll see how you guys do. And then you're going to lower and release. Okay, and then you're going to roll over to a side. And you're going to use this. Okay, now we're going to start with halasana, but I want most of you to use the wall for halasana. So I don't want your feet all the way. I want most of you to use, we have a blanket. Can I put a, you know what, let's do this. Let's put this over that. Okay, don't use the strap yet. I want to make sure that you can take your feet to the wall and be in the right distance. Okay, so measure it. I don't want them too low. I don't want your feet low. I want them kind of high. Okay, I think a little bit away from the wall. A little bit more away from the wall. Okay. Okay, and now do it. Okay, and I want, yeah. Okay, now let your eyes look this way and interlace your fingers. And we'll see. This might be all we'll do today. Okay, now. So, first and foremost, those of you that are flexible, make absolutely sure that you're not dragging your shoulders too far away from the ears. This is the best way to start hurting your neck. And he's borderline doing it. So I want the shoulders to remain square with the collarbone. So take your arms like this for a minute and really drag them down. What do you feel on the sides of your neck? This is one of the ways we hurt the neck. Okay, but I want you now to take this and put him there for him. Because his halasana is not ready yet. Okay, now put your feet, and curl your toes up, but תשתמש ברגליים. כל הכיתה דיברתי על הרגליים, אתה לא משתמש בהם. But curl your toes on the blocks. Yeah. Okay, now, make your arms work like you're going to push your arms to the floor and start to lift your spine up. So start to move your spine, yeah. Put one more set of blocks there for him. One more set of blocks.